Imagine getting paid for just having conversations online. No VPN, no location restriction, and it works right here in Nigeria. But here is the catch. Most people try this platform and earn nothing because their tasks keep getting rejection. In this video, I'll be showing you exactly how to earn on Luel AI and how to avoid rejection so you can actually get paid. Luel AI is an AI training data platform where companies pay people like you to create data sets, mostly through conversations, recordings, and simple tasks. It is very similar to platforms like Toloka, but with fewer restriction and better earning potential if you can do it right. To get started, go to lule.ai, lule.ai, and sign up. Importantly, you do not need VPN. There is no restriction as being a Nigerian, and kindly use real information about yourself. When setting up the profile, select your country, select your language properly, and choose all contribution types that you can handle. This part is important because it determines the kind of task that you will see. Now, let us go straight to how you can make money. Once you log in, you will see available tasks on your dashboard. The very, very important one we are talking about now is the audio conversation task. And in this audio conversation task, each task is being paid per hour. They are paying close to $20 per hour for just having a conversation with your friend. You don't need to work for 1 full hour. They are paying above 2 minutes. Any conversation that you have above 2 minutes to an hour, you would definitely be paid for. Now, how do you do audio tasks in the very correct way? This is where most people either make money or they fail completely. Choose the conversation task and start a section. Invite a partner. The partner must be a registered user on the platform. You do your mic text and confirm that both of you can hear one another. Now, this is where it gets so busy and it's very important that you listen to. When you're doing your mic text, you will have series of um, microphones on your screen, and I'm very sure you understand what I'm saying. Now, I will advise this: if you are using a laptop, you have to use an headset, and I strongly advise do this on the laptop because you can make use of your headset. Whether it is noise cancellation or it's not a noise cancellation headset, you need to have an headset. I do not subscribe to you getting an AirPod or using your laptop audio. Now, totally avoid background noise. Always stay in a place that has zero background noise. One person talking alone, they will never accept you. It is a conversation. You and someone else will be talking. Silence during conversation is also bad. Don't create about 2 to 5 seconds of silence where none of you are talking at all. Always make the conversation very interactive. Poor audio quality. This is the area where most of people feels that Luel AI is scam. Now, on your system, you will see about 4 or 5 microphones. Please do not select the first two. The default audio is your laptop audio. The second might also be your laptop audio. You need to know the name of your microphone. The name of your microphone, you need to know it. Now, you select any of the three that carries the name of your microphone on the microphone selection before you start conversation at all. If any of those three could ask problem, maybe you could not hear your other partner or your other partner could not hear you. This is where you have to go to your laptop settings and you change the settings on your laptop in order to make sure that you can use. Make sure on your laptop that you select the sound settings, input and output must be selected by your handset. That means go to your sound settings on your system. You will see output and input. Under output, select the headset that you are using. Now, you selecting the headset means that whatever your partner says, you will hear through the headset and not the laptop speaker. In the input device, select your headset brand too, so that whatever you say will not be picked by your laptop audio, but rather by your headset audio. Now, you need to follow those instructions very well. If you do that on the platform, select any of the microphones that carries the name of your headset. If you can't still hear each other, please quit that conversation and enter a new conversation entirely. You must not use the default microphone on the platform that does not carry the brand name of your headset. If you do that, you will end up using your laptop audio, and your laptop audio will pick so many background noise. Again, make sure you're in a very quiet place, both of you, the users on the conversations. Use headsets. I do not subscribe to AirPod. If you have a noise cancellation headset, it is very good. Make sure the conversation is also very interactive. This is not a lecture room where one person is speaking to another without making any sound. This must be a conversation. Speak clearly and natural. Do not read from a particular script. Flow natural with your partner. Don't rush the task. Is that okay? And avoid discussing anything about Lul or about the time or about how much they pay. Don't discuss things about Lul. That's not what they want. They want us to discuss about something. It could be religion, it could be politics, it could be music. Now, all your conversation does not need to be perfect. It just needs to be clear and engaging from both sides. If you follow this, your approval rate will be very, very massive. The good thing about this is that you get paid easily. After your task is approved, your earnings will reflect in your balance immediately and you can withdraw. Now, for you to withdraw, I will strongly advise that you use Stripe. Stripe is easy to set up. If you have a voter's card or you have driver license or you have a national passport, use Stripe. But if you do not have any of these, you can use your brother, your sister, or your friend voter's card or international passport. Yes, you can use it. Stripe do not accept NIN at all. Now, if you connect Stripe to your account easily, your bank account will receive that money after 2 to 7 business days. So easy. So you set up your dashboard, you choose individual as your account, select, right, put in your bank details, put in your Swift or BIC code. Money will be converted to your local currency and sent to your bank account directly. Let me be honest with you. This is not a get rich quick platform. You need to be very, very patient, consistent, and quality work. But you do it right. It is very important that if you do it right, you will make good money out of it. Thank you. If you have any questions about Lou, drop it in the comments. And also, if you find this video very helpful, make sure you like our video, subscribe for more ways to earn online. Thank you.